This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing your device, so enable location services and find My iPhone Now. This allows Apple to locate devices securely. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID because Find My links devices to that account. Now open the Find My app from your home screen or control center and tap Devices to begin. You're taking the first actionable step toward locating or protecting a device, so proceed confidently and keep your credentials handy. Once you see the devices list, choose the specific iPhone, AirTag, or accessory you need. The map shows the current or last known location so you know where to go. You can tap play sound to help find it nearby, or directions to get turn-by-turn navigation if it's farther away. Make sure to use Mark as lost to lock the device and display a contact number. This protects data. If a device is offline, enable Notify when found, and you'll get an alert when it reconnects. To finish, decide on a protective action. Erase this device if sensitive data is at risk, or remove device if you no longer own it. Do this only after careful thought, because erasing is permanent. You can also share your location through family sharing to coordinate a search, which helps if someone else can retrieve it. If the app can't locate the device, check iCloud sign-in, network connection, and location services. Then retry. Those checks solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.